Meaning of immersion heater.
Immersion heater.
Immersion heater.
Immersion heater.
Immersion heater. An immersion heater is an electrical heating element that is submerged in a liquid, typically water, to heat it up. It is commonly used to heat water in homes and industrial settings. The heater works by converting electrical energy into heat energy, which is transferred to the surrounding water. This process is controlled by a thermostat that maintains the desired temperature. Immersion heaters come in different sizes and wattages to accommodate various heating needs. Overall, immersion heaters offer a simple and efficient way to heat water for daily use or industrial applications.